Good morning, fellow crafters. This is Cheryl Ann, and today is April 3rd, Friday. Um, I just want to let everybody know that since I'm home, like everybody else, and I have all this gorgeous fabric, I am making cotton face masks. These are using the Kaiser Permanente Hospital. It's their template. They they don't use elastic on theirs. They use the fabric strips. They're 36 inches long. They go down both sides of the mask, and then you tie these on the top, and then the two you tie on the bottom. The masks are folded 3 times, and it's already double ply. So some of these areas actually have 4 layers of cotton. They're not N95. Nobody has those, but these are cotton fabric masks. The bottom part here, this does stretch down. See, they're pleated, so it would stretch down over your chin. Um, I started making these for family, and then the word got out, and so I'm taking orders. They're $10 each, which I think is a reasonable price. I've seen some as much as $17 each. Now, they are not lined with anything. I didn't put coffee filters in them or interfacing. I've not done that. But they are sturdy. Everything is double stitched. Um, it takes me about 45 minutes to do 2 of these. So I want it before I send these out today. Now I have male and female patterns of fabric. So I mean, guys don't want flowers. So I have a lot of this. I have books. I have maps. Here's one for one of my cousins. It's using the duck cloth, which is a heavy canvas, and she wanted 3 male ones and then one for herself. So this is one of the guy ones, and here's another guy one. Like I said, I have lots of maps. So those are for them. I don't have that much of this fabric left. I was always buying my fabric in a third of a yard, and I just, some of these real pretty ones, I have enough to make 2 masks, and that's it. But I do have a lot of different fabric. I do have a lot of different colors. I have a lot of botanicals. I have gardening. I have cooking. I have Americana. Let me show you those. Here's one for a teenage boy. I figured he'd have fun with that one. Let me see what else we have. I have a lot of this daisy. You can see I've got a couple extras there. I have quite a bit of this. Here's one of the Americana ones. Now, I'll have to give you some instructions on these. You should wash them before you wear them. Some of these I have not washed yet. And also, please don't bleach them, because see, you can, if you just wash them in soap and water, then the colors. Well, here's another little Americana. Like this, you wouldn't want to put bleach on that. I'm fortunate to live here in the desert, and I put mine on my clothesline outside in the sunlight and just let the ultraviolet light do its thing. I have a lot of greens and blues. I have some purples. I have Halloween. I have fall. What else do I have? Oh, I have tons of sunflower fabric. So if you love sunflowers, I have not just this, it's packed away. I have a whole box full of sunflower themed fabric. So just let me know, if you would like me to make you one or two or three or four. I'm not putting these in my Etsy store. I am doing this through PayPal. It's PayPal only for now because I don't know. It just seems to be easier and quicker that way. Um, what else? I pay for the postage. Most of these I can get like 4 or 5 in a 9 by 12 envelope, and I haven't had any problems. So if you would like me to make you some, please let me know the color, the theme. Do you want floral? Do you want manly? Do you want books? Recently I started buying yardage, 1 yard and 2 yards at a time. Show you some of the fabrics I have not got into yet. I do have a lot of fabric with birds. I have this one with the bee, and I have a yard. I think I have 1.25 yards of that. This one I have 2 yards. Here's kind of a guy one. Here's maps. Oh, I love that. I have another. This one I have 2 yards. Another map one. Isn't that? Oh, that's gorgeous. I have this one. I pulled these out because I have a dear friend, love you Dale, who he wanted 2 books and a map. So this one I'm so lucky to have. Look at that. So Dale's getting 2 of those. Don't tell him. I have another map here. I mean, I have a lot of fabric. You guys know how much fabric I have. I love fabric. It's my weakness. So, my PayPal address is deserthorses5@gmail.com. Now, I will leave that in the description, but if you would like me to make you some, we need to chat so we can figure it out. I do have some material for children. I did make, like that would be really cute for a child or, an adult, a fun-loving adult. I have made some for the grandkids. I'll show you. They got little Easter ones. I put orange ribbon on the boys because he loves orange, and I put just a real light green ribbon on the girls. She's going to be 7, in 3 days, and he's going to be 4. So I did make them each one, and then our daughter, I made her one. This one is hers because she loves sunflowers. So you want to have the pleats open toward the top. So this is the top, this is the bottom, and then the sides have the fabric sewn on. I have one for me, and I kept one of the daisy ones for me. So anyway, I'm rambling. If you would like me to make you one or however many, please do contact me here on YouTube. Don't go to my Etsy shop because these are, like I said, these are not in my Etsy shop. So do let me know, and please stay safe, stay inside, and stay healthy. Oh, I woke up at 3:30 this morning. I finished 7 so far today, and I have a lot more to do, so I'm gonna be busy. So thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions, you can leave them here. You can always email me. I'll also put my email, which is also deserthorses5 at gmail.com. If you have any questions you want to shoot me an email. So, thank you for stopping by, and I have to get back to work. Okay, see you later. Bye for now.